In this lecture, I am going to talk about concatenation of tuples. So let me give the comments. Concatenation of two tuples.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
As you know, concatenation means joining together. So we'll be joining a tuple with another tuple. And even we can join a list with the tuple also. So let's understand it with the help of examples. Values 1 is going to be a tuple. Values 1 is equal to, I am giving some values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, this is our tuple, and I am going to have another tuple with the name values 2. And what I am going to do is I am going to go for concatenation. So what I will do is I would write values 1 comma 100, 200, 300, 400 something, and 400 comma 500. Okay, so the concatenation will take place and the output will be stored into the tuple values 2. So now what will happen is all the items of values 1 like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, they will be merged with this tuple value 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and after merger the values will be put into values 2. Okay, so let's execute this program. Now I will see the output like this. Yes, you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and after that the next tuple 100, 200, 300, 400, 50, these items, they have been merged together. So it's an important this is something important to learn. Now next we are going to learn, we are going to have a list. So I will show you we can concatenate a list also. So as you know, while we'll give the items of a list, we people use square brackets and not parentheses. This is a list, not a tuple. Okay, so now I am going to take a tuple with the name, let it be values 3. This is the name of the tuple, and what I am going to do is, let me write this thing. I will give some values 120, 230, 450 something, or you can give any values 1200, 2300, 4500, any values. So this is a tuple, and after that what I am going to write is comma my list. As you know, my list is the name of the list, and after that I will get the value of values 3 printed. So the values of these items 1200, 2300, 40, 500, they will be merged with my list values, that is 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. So it's better that we give a heading so that we are able to distinguish the outputs. Following are the values of tuple values 3. Okay, so now let's go and execute the program. Yeah, this is the appropriate place. So I will execute the program. Now we will see the merger of, yes, this is now we will see the merger of the list with the tuple. So you can see the output 1200, 2300, 4500, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. Last 3-4 values, they belong to the list my list. So concatenation of a tuple and a list has taken place. Okay, we can also concatenate two tuples or lists using plus symbol. As you know, plus symbol is that stands for concatenation. So this is also possible. So let me show you an example. I am going to take a tuple 1. Values are going to be 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, another tuple with the name 2, 6 7 8 9 10, or whatever values you want to give. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I would write 2 value of a tuple 6 7 8 9 10 plus 1. So as you know 1 is another tuple that is going to be merged. So let me give the comment here also. So I will copy paste and I will change the message. Now I would write following are the values of tuple 2. So in the tuple 2, what will happen is the tuple 6 7 8 9 10 and the tuple 1, they will be merged together, concatenated and put into 2. Yes, you can see the result 6 7 8 9. Let's go to the bottom. 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5. So the tuple 6 7 8 9 10 that was mentioned first, that is why the sequence is like this. Or you can do the other way around. What you can do is you can write 1 plus 6 7 8 9 10. So 6 7 8 9 10, this tuple will be merged with the tuple 1. So values of the tuple 1 will come first. Okay, yeah. Now the values of the tuple 1, they are appearing first, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6 7 8 9 10, this is appearing. So it's quite simple to concatenate two tuples or one tuple and one list.